Hello everybody! I've got another item from the jaykay18 Hoard. When I went to visit him back in 2023, he had a case of these in his garage. So I'm going to maybe see if the 81 Chevy will help us out. Try these out. Now mine calls for a 224 flasher. And this is a 552, so we'll see what happens. We'll take a look at the wiring diagram, and it's for a dual taillight setup. I only have a single, but it'll either not work, it'll go fast, or it'll go slow. So I guess we can go test it out. Here's a look at the box. HM flasher, super wide flasher. Take one out of the box and take a look at it. Now this one will physically fit my application, but there's only one way to find out if it'll work or not. So let's go out to the 81 and pop some of these in and give it a listen and a look. Out at the 81, what my plan is, I've got this mic'd. I'm going to try the factory one first, see what it sounds like. I'm going to do it with the engine off and then the engine on. So I'm going to click the key on where I can test the turn signal. Get to hear my buzzer up close and personal. Here's factory. Left-hand turn. Right-hand turn. Let's pull this one out. And that is the 224, by the way. Let's populate this 552, the first one. See what it sounds like. There it is. Left-hand turn. Right-hand turn. Okay, that's number one. Here's number two. Oh, I like that one. Right-hand turn. That one is very nice. So let's see what the third one sounds like. Here's the third 552. Left-hand turn. That one's pretty nice as well. So now I'm going to start it up and see what they sound like with full voltage. Faster as expected. Right-hand turn. That's number 3. comes number 2, which is my favorite. Very nice. Left hand, right hand. Okay, very good. Here comes number 1. And that one's just okay. It works. Right hand. Very good. And we'll put the factory one back in. Left hand. Hand. So that's the 4 flashers I have to look at today. The one that's factory to my truck, and then the 3 from jaykay18. So let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Thank you for watching.